it's your girl Sasha E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing y'all how I achieved this super bomb crochet hair, y'all. And the best part about this style is I use no cornrows, y'all. None whatsoever. Y'all, this is so beautiful. It absolutely exceeded my expectations as far as what I was expecting. I use Trendy Tresses. These are their Serene Curls. It's 1B, 12 inches, and it is so soft, so silky, so bouncy. And y'all, it was so easy to install. This entire thing took me a little bit over an hour, and I'm just so happy that I went with it because I look great. If you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, the link is in my description box. You can click on it and check it out. So today for the install, I'm going to be doing a braidless crochet. I know a lot of people, they opt to just kind of, some people I've seen, they'll just put their hair in a ponytail and, you know, add the crochet hair to it. I don't want to do it that way. I need like some type of anchor. So I'm going to be doing kind of like a flat one-stranded twist. It may not sound like it make much sense now, but when I do it, y'all will understand. It's pretty easy, very simple, and it should work for you. I want to make sure that the parts for the top is very straight and, you know, actually look nice. I'm not worried too much about the back, but as far as the top, I want to be able to do a middle part, a side part. I want to be able to put it up if I want to. So I'm going to make sure these parts look, you know, A1, like they look good. So I'm just going to go ahead and part. And that looks pretty good. They don't have to be perfect, but this works. All right. And as far as the flat twist, you're gonna just take your hair and you're pretty much gonna roll it, okay? You're gonna take your hair and just pretty much roll it around each other, but just connect while you do it. So it's not a braid, but when it's time for you to crochet, you actually have something to anchor the crochet hair to. So I'm gonna put this to the side. Then I'm gonna do it again for the second one. Okay, we're gonna start and we're pretty much just rolling it into a flat twist. You can start from the front and just start rolling. Y'all see that? So then I'm gonna take this one, get a rubber band. Just gonna connect these two. Y'all see that? So now you have something to actually anchor the crochet hair to, you know, instead of it just being like, you know, flat down and you trying to, you got something to actually anchor it to. So I'm just gonna do that for the rest of my head, and I'll walk y'all through it again. We're just gonna part our hair. And take our hands and we're just gonna roll it. And this is so quick, y'all. It literally takes like 5 seconds to do each one of them. So I am all done with the top and I think it looks really good. This took me like 5 minutes, y'all. It's so simple. And then now I'm gonna work on the back. The back I don't really care about because, you know, no one's gonna really see that. I'm not gonna part the back in any way, so I don't really care about it. I don't have to have like precise parts or anything like that. So yeah, and the parts, the twists in the back, they're gonna be a little bit bigger. So yeah. I'm actually going to take this hair, twirl it around, and I'm going to connect it up here. Just keep on going down. And get a rubber band, and we'll put it on here. Alright, look at that. Looking good so far. So now that we're done twisting, we're just gonna get a bobby pin and secure it. So I'm gonna get started with the crochet method. I'm gonna start in the back first. So this is the hair. It's so pretty. Look at it, and bouncy. I love it. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys how I install the crochet in the back of my head. So I inserted the needle. I took a piece of hair and I wrapped it just so it could be easier to go onto the latch hook. Then I attached it. Then I closed the latch hook, pull it through, Then I take these two pieces, I put it through, then I twist it and I pull it through again, and then I tighten it, and that's it. For the front, I did do the invisible method, and I wanted to show you guys that version as well. So it's a little bit different from the first method. So I insert the crochet needle, then I twist my hair, and then I attach it to the hook, and then I close it. I pull it through, but instead of putting both pieces through, I'm only gonna put one through. I'm putting this piece through, and then I'm gonna twist it, and I'll put that same piece back through it, and then just tighten it. See how nice that looks? We're gonna do it one more time. Get this hook, we'll push it through. I'm going to get a piece of hair. I'm gonna twist it a little bit. So once I attach it, I'm gonna close that latch. I'm gonna pull it through. Once it's through, instead of putting both pieces, I'm only gonna put one. Then I'm gonna twist it and put that same piece back through. And then I'm gonna tighten it. And that's it. See how seamless that looks? You don't see that knot. All right guys, so I am all done. I am absolutely loving this look. It is so pretty. I am in love with these curls. They are so bouncy. So here's the back and the side, and of course the front. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna just kind of trim it up a little bit so that it could fit my face. And once I am done, I will be right back. Alright y'all, so I am back, and as y'all already know, your girl is feeling herself. Like, look at this, y'all. Like, what? Y'all, like, this looks so freaking good. I feel like this exceeded my expectations in so many ways. It is so bouncy, just so nice, y'all. Look at this. Like, I am so in love with it. The curls are nice and bouncy. I feel like they look natural. Like, I've been wanting to do like a perm rod set for so long, but y'all know I got short hair right now. It's on the process of growing, but it's short right now, so I can't achieve anything like this. So this is why I went with these curls, and I am so pleased. They are so pretty, y'all. Love it. All right, y'all, so this is the hair that I use. This is Trendy Tresses Serene Curls. It's 1B and it's 12 inches. I did have to cut it a little bit just to shape it to frame my face, but you don't have to cut it if you don't want to. It is so pretty, you guys, and the texture is everything. It's like really nice and silky soft. And the great thing about this hair is it already comes pre-separated, so you don't have to separate it and get it all frizzy and stuff. It's already separated for you. The curls are so nice and so beautiful, very bouncy, and it's 20 pieces that come in each pack. I have a total of 5 packs in my hair right now. I use that many packs because I wanted it to be nice and full, and I did achieve that. If you don't want to use that many packs, you don't have to. And of course my head is big, so I have to use, you know, more packs compared to someone who has a normal size head. So if you'd like to purchase this hair, I have the link in my description box. Again, it is very inexpensive. It's very quick and easy to install, and I absolutely love the outcome, y'all. Like, yo, This is so nice. All right guys, so I wanted to show you guys how versatile this style is. So I'm just gonna do a couple of hairstyles with it and come back and show you. And this is why I did the invisible crochet method, so that I would be able to do whatever I wanted to do with the crochet hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.